Hi everybody, so I'm hoping you guys can see my screen. I'm already in SPSS and this is pertaining to the group work that I'm assigning in your Google Classroom. So this is the virtual desktop and the data we're going to be using is this data. I already downloaded it inside the virtual desktop and it's located in my download. So you can put it wherever you want. You have the data, you know how to plug it into the virtual desktop. I used one of those buttons and I literally also, you could also literally drag it in here from your, wherever it is, from your flash drive to the virtual desktop. You can drag that data here. So once it's here, I'm just showing you that the data is already on the virtual desktop. So I go into SPSS and I open it up right here. I'm opening it up and no, I'm gonna close this window and I'm gonna open it up from here. So I just go to open file. I go to download because it's in my download and I say all files. So this is it. This is the data I want and I just click open. This is it. And it shows me this because it's an Excel file. Say okay. So this is it. It's open. It's open. So this is it. This is the data. It's open. I'm going to change it up a little bit. For some reason, I don't know why it's been doing this. If I go to variable view, um, let's quickly look at the doc file I gave you. Okay. Let's quickly look at the doc file I gave you. So we're going to do this one like exercise by exercise. I'm trying to see how I'm going to record this. I'm probably going to record exercise 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, whatever. But I'm explaining to you what we're doing tonight, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises that you will do in your groups. So exercise 1, you have 25 randomly selected students that were asked the number of movies they watch the previous week. So this is number of movies, this is frequency. I want you to fill in this table. This data is given to you in SPSS. I want you to find a sample mean, standard deviation, find the histogram, give a comment. For each output, you need to give an interpretation according to the problem, according to the data you have. Then select yes or no once you complete the chart at the top. Find your quartiles, give an interpretation. Find 40th, 90th percentile, give an interpretation. Find box plot, construct the box plot, comment, and what portion of the students do fewer than 3 movies. You can see that from your frequency distribution. Get a line graph, get a stem plot. So this is the first exercise, okay? So I'm going to start with that. So I'm going back in numeric, okay? Should be numeric. This is supposed to be the number of movies watched. So I'm just going to label it really quickly. I don't have any value labels. There's nothing missing, but I know it's supposed to be a scale. So this is what I have. All right, so this is how we're leaving it. I start working with that. I can come back and adjust for the remaining variables. Yes. So this is it. So we need specific things. We need frequency table. Let's start with analyze. Underneath descriptive statistics, you have frequencies. So number of movies, we need frequency table. So let me go to statistics. We need quartiles. Yes, we need percentile. We need the 40th percentile. Add. We need the 90th percentile. Add. We need the mean, I believe, the standard deviation. That's what we need. Continue. Only give me what I need. Let's go to charts. I know I need a histogram. I need frequencies. Good. And that's it. That's all this guy can give me. Okay. So there goes my frequency table, distribution table. This is standard deviation, mean, percentile. These are the descriptive statistics. This is the histogram. I believe I need a box plot. I also believe that I need, what else? They said box plot. They said a lot of things. Let me go back to the mini case project. There we go. Box plot. Yeah, I need a box plot. I need a line graph and I need a stem and leaf plot. So let's go back. To get a box plot, now if you go underneath analyze, you're going to see descriptive statistics, you're going to see explore. Explore is that feature that gives us box plot. Number of movies is dependent, and it goes in the dependent list. I'm going to say I just want plots, yes? And underneath the plots, you see stem and leaf plot is in there. It literally gives me the box plot like automatically here. It gives me the box plot automatically. So let's say continue. Okay, so here we go. So there goes the stem and leaf plot. It looks a bit strange. You have stem here, you have leaves, but the problem is here. Like these lines are unnecessary. You can edit within. There goes the vertical box plot. So I'm gonna edit this guy in there. So for me to edit, I just double click. So see, it comes out as if it's a Word file. So I can just remove here. See, it tells me I have people that watch 0 movie, 5 of them, right? People that watch 1 movie, 9 of them. People that watch 2 movies, 6 of them. People that watched 3 movies, there were 4 of them. And then people that watch 4 movie and it says it's an extreme thing, it's 1. So that's what I needed. There goes my box plot. Now, I know I also need a line graph, okay? A line graph. For me to get my line graph, if you go underneath graphs, you go to chart builder here, you go to line, you're gonna get your line graph. So it's a simple line graph. So you select this guy and you literally drag it here. It's a drag. You take the number of movies and you place them in the x-axis. That's it. You can adjust everything. You can play with this as much as you want. You can change the colors, whatever. I'm encouraging you guys to do it on your own. And it gives you simple line graphs. Yes, these are numbers of movies. This is frequencies. As you can see, 0 movies, there were 3 people, right? Most people ordered 1 movie, right? Most people, this is your highest peak. There were very few people that ordered 4 movies. This is your lowest peak. This is the line graph. So these are the outputs that we were looking for. So now that I have those, then I'm going to start using them. I'm going to start using them within my, so I'm going to start reporting. So the way you report, literally what I'm asking you to do is to take pictures. You take pictures of what you're going to use. Whatever you're going to use, you take pictures of it. Let's see. So let me open this guy up. Let's start over. I'm going to definitely need this. I scroll down a bit. I'm probably going to need this guy as well. I'm going to need the histogram. For the stem and leaf plot, I'm only going to need this. The box plot, I'm going to need this guy. Okay, the line graph, I'm going to need this guy. And you can change the labels, right? You can change these labels very quickly. So that's that. Now that I have everything, I'll go back into my Word file and now I'm starting to input, okay? Now I'm starting to input. This over here, I'm gonna start inputting what I have. Let's see. Okay. All right, so let me start inserting my images. I'm gonna upload from the computer. There are many of them. I can lump all of them in and start rearranging, but you guys get the idea, right?